Hello everyone, so my name is Angel Bantilan. So today we will be discussing a problem. So let's go. A10, an integer variable containing the value 10. B hello, a string variable containing the value hello. C5, an integer variable containing the value 5. The code then demonstrate two different ways to print the values of these variables. Printing variables, the first print statement uses commas to separate the variables. Print ABC, the output of 10 hello 5. The print function automatically insert a space between each variable. The second print statement attempts to concatenate the variable using the plus operator. However, there is a type error because you cannot directly concatenate integers and a string in Python.